Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. All right. We're going to go over the letter B. We have learned this letter this week, but we're going to review it through this jamboard activity. All right. B says B, B, B. All right. So we're going to look at all of these pictures and we're going to say their name. And if you hear the B, B, B sound at the beginning, then I want you to, or I'm going to circle it, okay? So get your brains turned on. All right. B, bat, B, bat. Do you hear the B, B sound? Yes, Miss Hendry does too. All right. This next picture is a picture of a car. Car. Do you hear b, b at the beginning of car? No, Miss Hendry doesn't either. Good job. So we're not going to circle that one. All right. The next one's a picture of a ball. B, ball. Do you hear b, b in ball? Yes. We're going to circle that one. Good job. All right. Next, we have a picture of a bear. B, bear. Do you hear b, in bear? Yes, me too. All right. Let's look at the next picture. It's a picture of beans. 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 Do you hear b, at the beginning of beans? Yes, me too. So we're going to circle that one. All right, next is a picture of a vase. 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 Do you hear b, at the beginning of vase? Me neither. We're going to put an X. All right, sweet friends. I love you and I miss you. Bye-bye.